Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can add check marks in Google Docs. I'm going to show you three ways how you can do this, and the first one is probably what you are looking for, and it's adding like to-do list or task list where you can check off your tasks which you completed. So this is very simple to do, and you can do that by having your mouse on this menu, and here you can find checklist. So if I click on it, it's going to show you this check mark and you can check this. So I can write, let's say, move grass, and when I complete this, I can check this. And you can also select the style. If you don't want to have the text crossed out, you can also select this other option, which is going to be only like checked. And if you press enter, it's going to add another check box. Clean dishes. I can check this, and this is the first way how you can add check marks into Google Docs. Another way is that you can add basically the symbol of the check mark. So if you go to insert, you can go to symbols, special characters. Here you're gonna search for check mark, and you can see all of the available check marks. So you can do this green one if you want, you can do this basic one, you can do this one. You can also customize them. If you select them, you can make them like larger if you want. So this is the second way. Now another way is similar to the first way. So let's say I have some list, and what I can do, I can select this. I can go to bullet points over here. I can select this bullet list. Now once you have this selected, you can go to format. You can go to bullets and numbering, list options, more bullets. And here you're gonna change the bullet point to the check mark. So I can select this green one, and this is another way how you can add check marks in Google Docs. So this is going to be all for this video. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.